Well, here we are. The world has changed in ways we once only imagined, and the electric revolution is no longer a distant dream, it's our new reality. It's 2026, and the world of cars looks and sounds completely different. The streets are alive with the quiet energy of electric vehicles, transforming the very rhythm of our cities. The low hum of electric motors is replacing the familiar rumble of petrol engines. Instead of exhaust fumes, there's a sense of calm and clarity in the air. Electric cars are everywhere, from sleek city saloons to rugged SUVs and even compact hatchbacks designed for urban life. There's an EV for every lifestyle and every journey. The electric car is now the default choice for families, commuters, and enthusiasts alike. People from all walks of life are embracing this new era of mobility, finding joy in the drive and pride in their choice. Gone are the days of sacrificing range or performance. Today's EVs offer it all. Long road trips, quick acceleration, and smart features are now standard, not exceptions. Every major manufacturer has a full lineup of electric vehicles, packed with cutting-edge tech and performance. The competition is fierce, driving innovation and making EVs more accessible than ever. The conversation has shifted from if you'll get an EV to which one. People are comparing features, colors, and software updates, just like they do with smartphones. Charging at the supermarket is as routine as filling up with petrol once was. Charging points are everywhere, at work, at home, and even at your favorite coffee shop. The quietness of the streets is striking, only broken by the occasional classic petrol car. The city feels cleaner, safer, and more connected than ever before. The car is now a smart device on wheels, integrated into your digital life, planning routes and charging stops, syncing with your calendar, and even helping you find the best places to eat along the way. We're finally living in the future, with electric cars standing as a testament to innovation and a cleaner way to get around. The electric revolution isn't just about cars, it's about a better, brighter world for everyone.